Hi, my name is Tim Blanchett with Divorce661.com. Today we're talking about how to file a divorce motion. And this is generally for California, but specifically for Los Angeles County. It may slightly vary outside of the County of Los Angeles, so double check the court website or feel free to give us a call. But we're going to talk about filling out a motion. It was called an order to show cause in the past. It's now called a request for order. And this is Form FL 300. This is a document that you'll use, or a form rather, that you'll use to ask the court for some type of temporary order. This could be for spousal support, child support, custody, visitation, basically anything you want to ask the court for to get an order from the court, you would file this type of motion. Now there's certain things to keep in mind. You have some time frames as far as service is concerned, and I've done a video on that as well. But today we're specifically talking about the documents you need. So you're going to need Form FL 300. That's the form you'd file with the court to get a hearing. If you're requesting anything to do with custody, visitation, or children for that matter, you're going to also need a mediation date, which you can obtain from the court mediation office prior to filing your motion and getting your court date. They will not give you a court date for your motion until you have that mediation date and time scheduled. The next thing you'll need to do is an income and expense declaration if your request has anything to do with money. So if it has anything to do with child support or spouse support or any financial purposes, you're going to need to file an income and expense. This is Form FL 150. Other things you'll have to do if you have a motion regarding your children is take an online PACT class. That's PACT. It's parents and children together, I believe, and you can do that right online. It takes about an hour, and you'll need to do that before your mediation hearing, or mediation date rather. So those are the forms you need. When you go to file, you have to, before you serve your motion on your spouse, you need to get the court date and the mediation date, if applicable, before you serve your spouse. You need to have that court date on there before you serve your spouse. We've been doing a lot of motions, and I wanted to just get this video out there. We can help you if you need to file a motion for any reason. We can help you get the court date, the mediation date. We can schedule your online PACT class. We can help you with all of that. Just keep in mind that if it is regarding spouse support or child support, you need an income and expense. Don't forget that. You also need to serve blank copies of exactly what you're serving. We can take care of this for you if you need to file a motion. Just keep in mind that any motion you file with the court is a temporary order until final judgment. Just because you get a spousal support order or child support order in that hearing, you still need to incorporate that into the final order. Don't make the mistake of thinking your case is finalized because you have an order from the court. Any request for order motion is a temporary order until final judgment is entered in your case. My name is Tim Blankenship, Divorce661.com. Number is 661-281-0266. Look forward to talking to you.